All right, this is the media coverage, media analysis. And I'm going to be talking about the crime coverage in my local news and the quality of it. ABC, I decided to watch ABC's Channel 2 News and NBC's Channel 2 Nightly News here in Atlanta. There was actually very little crime coverage on ABC, only 2 stories total. Considering that violent crime is down, that coverage could reflect the amount of crime that is occurring. They actually showed a lot of lifestyle stories or political stories, but not a lot of crime stories in general. News included more crime stories in its coverage. Most stories that included a description of the suspect featured a black suspect. 8 out of 9 of the stories they showed in all. Considering that the population in Atlanta is majority white, this is an overrepresentation of crime committed by minorities. This type of coverage leads to the perception that African Americans, particularly men, are violent and are more prone to criminal activity, according to our textbook. So, in conclusion, I do not think that the local crime coverage in Atlanta is of good quality, especially Channel 11, NBC. Channel 2, ABC, shows less crime stories, but they all still feature black suspects or took place in black neighborhoods. This type of coverage negatively affects the Americans and increases racial profiling.